Hello Year 9, welcome to Design Technology. I'm Mr. Glover. The word design means different things to different people. Often it's associated with how things look. Often it's used as a noun, as in, that's a good design. But really, it's a verb. It's not an it, it's a how. It's a way of doing things. It's a way of thinking. Above all, it's a way of thinking creatively.
Design and technology, in all their various forms and disciplines, are fundamentally about converting ideas and raw materials into the products and services that we all need and use every day of our lives. Everything around us has been designed, from the user interface of our latest digital app, to the car we drive, the clothes we wear, the buildings we visit or live or work in, much of the food and drink we consume, the TV programs we watch, even the deodorant we spray. They've all been designed. They've all been made.
I think design and technology is key to the type of thing that we do. In the world marketplace, we are as good as any of our competitors, if not better. We are constantly innovating.
It's key to our future in the UK, and I think that our engineering is strong, and it's strong because we've had 25 years now of design and technology taught at a very early level.
Since its inclusion in the first national curriculum in 1989, we have been teaching design and technology in schools, from primary school right through to A-levels. This has provided pupils of all ages with opportunities to explore ideas and to design and make things that solve problems. In doing this, they learn how to use tools and equipment to create designs and to work with a range of materials.
Design and technology is a phenomenally important subject. Logical, creative and practical, it's the only opportunity students have to apply what they've learnt in maths and physics.
So you choose design technology as an option. In Year 10, we aim to build on skills learned from Key Stage 3, looking at different materials, ranges of techniques and technical knowledge. Some examples of projects include things like making a small trinket box, making a small hammer and mood light. We'll also do the Dyson's Engineer project and I'm an Engineer, Get Me Out of Here. Our aim is also to go on some extracurricular trips, maybe Jaguar Land Rover visit, and also to go to Sellafield and maybe the Midland Hotel in Morecambe. Your course of design technology is split into two components: the exam, which is worth 50%, and the controlled assessment, that is 50%. The exam is 100 marks and it's 2 hours. Component 2 is the design and make project. This is normally set in June, and every year is a different contextual theme. Often these themes are related to a variety of different real-life situations. So for example, children's learning and development, sustainable futures, improving the daily life of elderly people, are just some themes that have previously been used. 50% of your total mark, 100 marks, is what you aim to get. And that time duration is 35 hours to complete that coursework. This normally takes place during the last term of Year 10, going through to the first 2 terms of Year 11. The course content is split into 2 sections. Technical knowledge and understanding is component 1, and design and making. These areas have a variety of subjects that you will study during your time in Year 10 and 11. Energy generation storage, smart materials, mechanical components and devices are a few. Understanding designing and making, understanding needs of the users, writing design briefs, using design strategies, using tools and specialist equipment. Your folder will consist of research, analysis and evaluation skills. It will look at the certain areas of topic and you will research those areas. Drawing skills are an important part of the design process. If you struggle with drawing, do not worry. This will all be taught to you. Different techniques, different skills will help you demonstrate the quality designs that are needed at GCSE. You will also investigate CAD, computer-aided design, to also perform computer-aided manufacturing using the laser cutter and various machines within the actual technology subject. Modelling is also an important part of the design process. After the designing and modelling, we come to manufacturing. Manufacturing is the making of the product. On the slides you can see previous projects that have been made before. It is important when we're designing that we go through an iterative design process, checking the models, checking they work, then making the final product. If that product doesn't work, we go back and do some re-evaluation, some modification, and improve our final designs. Evaluation is an important part of the process. It's not necessarily the end part of the process, because often when we evaluate, we find out the problems that we come across, that we can modify our product and improve it, how we can improve it and how we can make it safer, how we can make it more aesthetically pleasing. Dyson often uses this process during evaluation, and the iterative design process is an important part when doing your coursework. So after choosing design technology as an option, what can you do after that? Where do you go after that? You can take the traditional route of A-levels in product design or fashion and textiles, or there are a range of qualifications of BTECs, MVQs. These can include design technology, engineering, graphic design, among many more. There are also opportunities in apprenticeships, and there are a variety of apprenticeships that can be undertaken: construction, plumbing, engineering, designing, theatre design. There are also many different career pathways that you can follow, from product designer to joiner to electrician to engineer. Hope this outlines the different career paths that you can take if you choose design technology. Finally, if you have any questions that you need answering, don't hesitate to contact me, and my email is provided. Good luck with your options, and I hope to see you next year. Goodbye.